Hello friends, welcome to Pradnya Star Kitchen. If you like my recipe, subscribe my channel, ring the bell button, like, comment and share my recipes. Thank you. Today we'll be making crunchy Choco-Coconut cookies. For this, we would require a small bowl of desiccated coconut. This is the nariyal cup powder. We need to roast the coconut till it turns golden. Aroma of roasted coconut is just brilliant and I love it. Now we'll take a small bowl of homemade ghee. You can use butter instead of ghee. In this we'll be adding 7 tablespoons of powdered sugar and we'll whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes. Take a small bowl for whisking and then we can transfer the mixture to the bigger bowl. The more you whisk, the mixture will become more creamy and fluffy. We have transferred the mixture to a bigger bowl. We'll be adding 100 gram of wheat flour, 3/4 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, a ball of roasted desiccated coconut which we had prepared earlier. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. I'm using Hershey's chocolate syrup. You can use any other brand's chocolate syrup. Add salt as per taste. Give everything a good mix. Add half tablespoon of vanilla essence and mix it properly. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Give everything a good mix and make a fine dough. The dough has become soft. I've taken a baking tray and placed a butter paper and I've greased the butter paper with ghee. Now grease your palm with little ghee. Take a small portion of dough and press it between the two palms and give it a cookie shape. This way we'll make the rest of the cookies. The quantity that we have taken in this will be able to make approximately 16 to 17 such cookies. Keep some distance between the cookies as when we bake it will spread. Now we'll garnish the cookies with almond. We'll press the almond a little so that it does not come off when we put it for baking. Now the cookies are ready for baking. I have preheated the oven at 160 degrees for 10 minutes and we'll bake the cookies for next 15 minutes. The freshly baked cookies smell amazing. It's looking chocolatey and the roasted almond on the top is giving a beautiful look to these cookies. Kids will love these crunchy chocolate cookies. Do give it a try. Enjoy!